Natural gas prices in the USA, they have surged 16% over the course of this week. We've seen European natural gas prices, they have slingshotted 40% in a single day here. Now, this has provided us with the perfect opportunity to start scaling out of some profits on our natural gas position, banking 1,000 points profit with our clients this week. Now, of course, we've also capitalized on the recent run up in energy prices, with crude oil breaking out to the highest levels in 6 months last week, where we banked 1,220 points profit, and subsequently this week we've reversed position, selling short into oil, which right now has broken down almost 1% on the day. And alongside that, we've also taken the opportunity to again add further exposure at the swing lows here on platinum, and Palladium has now had an explosive 1,000 point breakout in the last 24 hours. We talked you through it at the start of the week. Opportunities to be adding to Palladium under 1,200, and also opportunities to add to platinum under $900 per ounce. Both of those giving you fantastic opportunities over this week to add at the swing lows and capitalize on the massive moves that we're now seeing off the back of Thursday's CPI data. So again, there's just been back-to-back opportunities for you to capitalize here on the summer of profits with commodities, as we have seen multiple commodities. They have broken out in the last week. Everything from natural gas to WTI crude oil to Brent crude oil to platinum to palladium. We've seen lovely moves over the course of this week, particularly after Thursday's CPI data. Now, as I mentioned to you on Tuesday's report, we are taking the opportunity here after banking our long position that we've been in for 5 weeks on Brent crude oil to reverse position and go on the sell side here. And that's a setup that we're looking for to play out now as we go into next week and as we go obviously into the remainder of this month as well. And currently now Brent crude oil prices, they're starting to roll over, and we're seeing oil prices turn negative on the day, as we've expected on energies after the breakout to the upside, to start seeing some profit taking and the potential for some lovely opportunities to reverse position and capitalize not only on the upside but also on the sell side as well. Again, it's not a buy and hold market here. When you do get these sudden impulse moves, you want to make sure that you're locking in your windfall amount of profit and then reversing position where it makes sense to do so, where the data, statistics, market intelligence are aligning for that, and then reverse position and capitalize on the sell side as well. Then essentially the playbook is just to rinse and repeat. Very much like that throughout 2023, back-to-back opportunities for you to capitalize on. Now, the recent breakout on natural gas prices over the month of August has been very predictable here. So natural gas prices, they typically do very well in extreme weather conditions, of course, where you do see the summer months, where you're going to get more usage of air conditioning units, which do require natural gas. So as a result of the current hotter than normal weather conditions around the globe at the moment, this has of course meant that we're seeing more utilization of natural gas prices. You're getting more demand, and as a result, this has catapulted natural gas prices in the USA up 16% this week, and also natural gas prices in Europe up 40% in a single day. So if, for example, if you were to have traded or invested in natural gas prices over this week, 40% gain in a single day. Just think about that for a minute. 40%. That's certainly better than the sort of return you're going to get on your bank account, right? So with that, this of course comes down to understanding the data, the cycles, and market intelligence. Absolutely, you want to be aware for each commodity of the daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, real-time data-driven cycle. It's so important to track this with commodities. Of course, be aware of the capital flows in the market and the catalyst for commodities to have those massive breakouts, and equally when it's the right time to bank at the upper end of the cycle and then reverse position and go in the opposite cycle as well, to really take advantage, snipering in low, banking in your windfall amount of profits at the swing highs, then reversing position and rinse and repeat and do it all over again. Further compound this with understanding and knowledge of the narratives, the macroeconomics, the fundamentals, of course the intermarket correlations, the ratios for each commodity, and then further compound that as well with the key areas of liquidity, so you know exactly where to be buying and selling in the market. And of course, finally, how the hedge funds, the money managers, the banks, the institutions, how they're positioned in the market in real time. This is going to help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.